Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Tuesday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 19th of August 2025. The US Dow Jones decreased 0.08%, settling the day at 44,912.19, while the Nasdaq ended the session at 21,629.77, increasing 0.03%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 43,499, and Hang Seng is trading at 25,241. Gift Nifty is currently trading at 24,993, indicating a start in the green for the Indian market. FII bought 550.85 crore in the cash market, while DII bought 4,103.81 crore in the last trading session. GST cut hopes may delay the festive rush for auto and consumer durables. SEBI proposes less stake dilution, more timeline for public shareholding compliance for large IPOs. Now talking about global aspects, dollar bides time as markets brace for Ukraine summit. Oil prices settle higher as investors focus on Trump-Zelensky meeting. WTI rose 0.99% to $63.42 a barrel, and Brent rose 1.14% to $66.60 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 98.04. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 0.21%, down. Here is a recap of Monday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices extended gains for the third consecutive session, driven by renewed optimism over a potential GST rate cut aimed at boosting consumption. Positive sentiment was further reinforced by easing geopolitical concerns, particularly around Russian oil supply disruptions following recent US-Russia discussions. Outlook for today: Nifty 50 extended its gains for the third straight session, closing above the 21-day and 55-day EMAs, signaling continued positive sentiment. The index closed above the 24,800 mark, turning the near-term trend bullish. As long as this level holds, a buy-on-dip strategy remains favorable. On the upside, immediate resistance lies at 25,000. A decisive breakout above this could open the path toward 25,200 in the coming sessions. Momentum indicators support the bullish outlook. Bank Nifty ended higher, but it made a bearish candle on the chart as profit booking emerged from highs, closing at day low also below its 21-day and 55-day EMA. Today high will now work as major resistance, which is near 56,100 to 56,150 zone. Any move above this could trigger rally towards 56,700. On the downside, support is at 55,500. A break below may lead to 55,000. A sell-on rise strategy is recommended for traders. Stocks on the radar: bullish view, Voltas, Colpal, Coforge, ABRAL, Kims. Bearish view, Orong Pharma, PFC, Siemens, ITC, K-Fintech. Trade of the day is bullish on Uno Minda. Buy at 1,220, stop loss 1,171. Target 1,320. Rationale: bullish reversal. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purposes. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.